The species is known for its aggressive behavior towards much larger birds, such as crows, never hesitating to dive bomb any bird of prey that invades its territory. This behavior earns it in the formal name of king crow. Smaller birds often nest in the well-guarded vicinity of a nesting black drongo. Most black drongos are 18 to 63 cm long and glossy black, sometimes with white on the head or underparts. Both sexes are alike. The eyes in most are fiery red, some are crusted or have head plumes, and the tail is usually long and forked with outturned corners. They feed on insects and small birds, which they catch in flight or on the ground. Some species are accomplished mimic and have a variety of alarm calls, to which other birds and animals often respond. They are known to utter fake alarm calls that scare other animals off food, which the drongo then claims. Why is it called blackbird? OAD says they are so called for being the only black, really dark brown bird among the songbirds, reflecting an older sense of bird that did not include rooks, crows, or ravens. According to scientists, black drongos spends 90% of their day following other animals to make the sound that other animals makes. They will make then use this to their advantage in a number of ways. Drongos are notorious for aggressive behavior. They will fiercely defend their nest and attack or harass predators like birds of prey, hornbills, crows, snakes, and even humans. The microry tricks the other species into abandoning their foods, giving the drongo an opportunity to steal it. The black drongo belongs to the family Dicruridae. It is a common resident breeder in much of tropical southern Asia, from southwest Iran through Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka, east to southern China and Indonesia, and accidental visitors of Japan. Its status is least concern due to its large range and relatively commonness. The black drongo was once considered a subspecies of the fork-tailed drongo, a close relative that diverged relatively recently. The two are now considered distinct species, with the fork-tailed drongo restricted to Africa and separated from the Asian range of the black drongo. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.